Hello students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 8.4 question number 2. The question is show that A cross B vector plus C vector plus B vector cross C vector plus A vector plus C vector cross A vector plus B vector. Now here we want to prove that the value is 0. Now let us use the distributive property. Distributive over addition. First let me write what it is given. So A vector cross B vector plus C vector plus B vector cross C vector plus A vector plus C vector cross A vector plus B vector. This is left hand side. Now let me write this distributive over addition A cross B. So which is equal to A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross C vector. A vector cross C vector plus B vector cross C vector plus B vector cross A vector plus C vector cross A vector plus C vector cross B vector. See, in cross product, if it is not in order, it will take its minus sign. That sign will be changed. Here, what are the things? It is A and B. So, A after B, it's correct. AC, it's correct. BC, it's correct. BA, it is not correct. It should be AB. Appa in the sign minus nu maathikalam. So, A cross B plus A cross, this also can be changed. C cross A nu kondu varalam. So this can be written as minus C cross A plus B cross C is correct. So B cross C. This can be written as minus A cross B. C cross A is correct. So C cross A. And C cross B is wrong. B cross C varano. So it is minus B cross C. Now what happened? A cross B plus and minus get cancel. C cross A cancel. B cross C cancel. So the answer is 0, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Now question number 3. Now third question, find the vectors of magnitude 10 root 3 which are perpendicular to the plane which contains I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Now let us write down the formula at first. What is the formula? A unit vector has magnitude and perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So which is n cap plus or minus n cap is equal to plus or minus some lambda of A cross B, A vector cross B vector divided by modulus of A vector cross B vector is the formula. Now we can take lambda is equal to 10 root 3. So lambda is equal to 10 root 3 it is given. And A vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus k cap. And B vector is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Now let us find the A cross B at first. A vector cross B vector is equal to, take a determinant and I, j, k. The components of the coefficients of A is 1, 2, 1. And take B vector and write its coefficients 1, 3, 4. So which is equal to I cap of, take this minor and solve, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 1 is 3 minus j cap of, take these 4 numbers, 1 4 is 4 minus 1 1 is 1 plus k cap of, take these 4 numbers, 1 3 is 3 minus 1 2 is 2 So 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 I cap. 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 3 j cap. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is k cap. So it is A vector cross B vector. If I suppose to find the modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to square root of 5 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus 1 square, which is equal to 25 plus 9 plus 1, which is equal to 35, root 35. Now let me write this in the formula. So plus or minus n cap is equal to plus or minus lambda A vector cross B vector divided by modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to plus or minus, what is lambda? 10 root 3. And A cross B is 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap divided by modulus of A cross B is square root of 35. This is the answer. So the answer is plus or minus 10 root 3 into 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap divided by root 35 is the answer. Now question number 4. Now fourth question. Find the unit vectors perpendicular to A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector, where A vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. A vector and B vector is given. First let us find A plus B and A minus B. Let us take it as C vector and D vector. Okay. So first find A vector plus B vector is equal to, what is A vector? A vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 cap. So it is B vector. Add these two. So I plus I, that is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 I cap. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3 j cap. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4 k cap. So let me take this as C vector. C vector is A plus B as C vector ne eduthuka. And then find the A vector minus B vector is equal to A vector எழுதிக்கோங்க I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus. Now subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 0 I cap. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus j cap. Then 1 minus 3 minus 2k cap. So it is B vector. C vector and D vector. Now find the unit vector, that is n cap plus or minus is equal to. So plus or minus A vector, C vector cross D vector divided by modulus of C vector cross D vector is the formula. இங்க magnitude கொடுக்கல, magnitude கொடுத்திருந்தா lambda வந்திருக்கும். The magnitude கொடுக்கல, அதனால just you write this formula. Now let us find this. Now C cross D இப்போ find out பண்ணணும். So C vector cross D vector is equal to I cap, J cap, K cap. And C vector is 2, 3, 4. The coefficients are 2, 3, 4. And D vector is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So which is equal to I cap of, take this minor and solve. 3 2s are minus 6 minus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கு, plus 4 ஆயிடும். Minus j cap of, இந்த 4 number எடுத்துக்கணும். So 2 2s are 4, minus 4 minus 4 into 0, 0. Plus k cap of, இந்த 4 number. So minus 2 minus 0. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So which is equal to minus 2 I cap. Minus 4. So this is cancelled. 0 cancel, minus 4. Minus minus plus 4j cap. Minus 2, 0 cancel. So minus 2k cap. So modulus of C vector cross D vector which is equal to square root of minus 2 the whole square plus 4 square plus minus 2 the whole square. So which is equal to 4 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to square root of 24. So square root of 24. 24 can be written as 4 6 are 24. So which is equal to 4. So this can be written as 6 4s are 24. So square root of 6 into 4. Square root 4 value is 2. So this can be written as 2 root 6. And now write down the formula. Plus or minus n cap unit vector is equal to plus or minus C cross D. What is the answer? Here it is. So take minus 2 as common or 2 as a common number. So 2. So balance is minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Divide by 2 root 6. Now 2 get cancelled. So the answer is plus or minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divide by root 6 plus or minus n cap is equal to. This is the answer. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. Find the area of parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and B vector is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now we want to find the area of parallelogram. Let us write the formula at first. First take and write A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and B vector is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now what is the formula to find the area of parallelogram? Is equal to modulus of A vector cross B vector is the formula. Square units, right? Square units. So first find A cross B. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, take a determinant I vector, J vector, K vector and the coefficients of A vector is 1, 2, 3 and B vector is 3, minus 2, 1. So I cap of, take this minor and solve. 2, 1 is 2 minus, here minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus of minus plus 6 minus J vector of, take these 4 numbers. So 1, 1 is 1 minus 3, 3s are 9. Take the cross product and do. Plus k cap of, take these 4 numbers, cross multiply, 1, 2 is 2, minus 2, minus formula lower minus, 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 2 plus 6 is 8. So which is equal to 8 I cap. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, minus minus plus 8 j cap. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 k cap. So I can take 8 as a common number. So modulus of A vector cross B vector is, modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to, see, take square root of 8 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 the whole square. So which is equal to 64 plus 64 plus 64. So I can write 3 times into 64. Square root of 3 times into 64. 64, 64, 64. I can write like this. So 64 is a perfect square. If I take out, I will get 8. 8 root 3. first 8 காமனா எடுத்துட்டு கூட பண்ணலாம். So you will get this answer. So 8 root 3 square units. So the answer is here. Finish it. Area of parallelogram is equal to 8 root 3 square units is the answer. Then question number 6. Now question number 6. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are a of 3 comma minus 1 comma 2, b of 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3, c of 4 comma minus 3 comma 1. Since these are the vertices of triangle, we want to find the side of the triangle. Before that, I want to write the formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector. So this is the formula. So I want to find AB vector and AC vector at first. So AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. So what is OB vector? This one. So it is I vector minus J vector minus 3K vector minus A vector is this one. So it is 3I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap. So subtract this. 1 minus 3 is minus 2I cap. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0 plus 0 J cap. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5K cap. So AB vector is equal to minus 2I cap minus 5K cap. So 0 is that. J க்கு பதிலா 0 போட்டுக்கும். And then find the AC vector. AC vector is equal to OC vector minus OA vector, which is equal to OC vector is here 4 comma minus 3 comma 1. இது 4I vector minus 3J vector plus K vector னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So 4I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap minus OA vector is here 3 minus 1 2I J K substitute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So 3I vector minus J vector plus 2K cap. So now subtract. So AC vector is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So I cap minus 3 minus minus plus. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2J cap. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus K cap. So AB vector and AC vector find out பண்ணியாச்சு. And then find AB cross AC. So AB vector cross AC vector is equal to, take a determinant I, J, K. இப்போ AB vector இங்க இருக்கு. இதோட coefficients minus 2, 0, minus 5. And the AC vector இங்க இருக்கு. இதோட coefficients 1, minus 2, minus 1. Which is equal to I cap of, take this minor, 0 into minus 1 is 0, minus minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10. இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So plus minus minus 2 5s are 10. Minus J cap of these 4 numbers. So minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கிறதுனால plus 5. Plus K cap of, take these 4 numbers. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 minus 0. 1 0 is 0. So which is equal to minus 10I cap. 2 plus 5 is 7 minus 7J cap. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4K plus 4K cap. So it is AB vector cross AC vector. Now we want to find modulus of AB vector cross AC vector. Modulus na enna seyanum, square root of minus 10 the whole square. இந்த coefficients மட்டும் எடுத்து square பண்ணி add பண்ணிடணும். So plus minus 7 the whole square plus 4 square. So which is equal to square root of 100 plus 7 7s are 49 plus 16. So the answer is 149, 159, 165. So square root of 165. So let me write the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to, formula is 1 by 2 modulus of AB vector cross AC vector, which is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 165 square units is the answer. Thank you.